The Thadou Community International (TCI) has criticized the Thadou Tribe Council for it describes as false and misleading accusations. In a press release dated on August 14, TTC-GHQ labeled TCI as a bogus entity created by non-resident Thadou individuals. TCI has responded, calling these claims unfounded and asserting that the real bogus entity is TTC-GHQ itself. The TCI, established on August 3, 2024, is a global network of Thadou people from various countries, including the USA, UK, Norway, Australia, Myanmar, India, Singapore, Macau, and Malaysia. The organization aims to defend the rights and promote the welfare of the Thadou community worldwide. TCI's 2 conveners and 30 executive members work towards justice, peace, and unity for Thadou people, countering the alleged misinformation spread by the TTC-GHQ. The TCI denounces TTC-GHQ's assertion of being the apex body of the Thadou tribe, noting that TTC was rebranded as Thadou INPI following the Thadou Conclave Declaration in 2015. TCI claims that the TTC-GHQ's recent formation into a champur is an attempt by anti-Thadou factions and Kuki supremacists to create confusion within the community.